How to speed up Mozilla Firefox browser. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to simply open our Mozilla Firefox browser, and once done, go to your settings button here in the upper right hand corner. And once you've entered on your settings, you will be routed to this page basically. Now here for our general settings, let's simply scroll down below and let's check if our Firefox updates is up to date. So if not, then click on Restart to update Firefox. Next is under Performance, make sure that you have unticked the box for use recommended performance settings and have the second box open in here. Another one is that in another tab, let's type in about colon memory, and under free memory, hit on Minimize Memory Usage button. Going back to our option settings, now here under Privacy and Security, let's scroll down and let's look for our history. So under history, all you need to do is to clear your history. Also clear the data under cookies and site data. So that's about it for today's video guys. Hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.